Elvis performance. My boy Hamburger. Doing that cam kit, torque converter, headers on a 2008 Chevy Avalanche. DOD delete. Rip this filthy thing out of here. Next time you see it, it'll be here. Installing the parts. That boy was coming through.
Well, except, you know, this. Oh, yeah, take you some pictures and shit.
Hey, Dad, with a lion head in the zebra cage.
And I'll say a little piece on YouTube for you.
That boy
He
Hamburger.
knows what he's doing, I'm telling you. He knows what he's doing. He doesn't cheat.
Hell yeah. Get it, your boy. Doing a engine build, rebuild, cam kit. 2008 Chevy Avalanche. I already got a computer tuned by Elvis. Yeah, I'll get back at you and show you the stats. Over $3,300 in parts, just parts. Got a nasty oil leak. You can see where it's coming from. Coming out the rear main seal, coming down. Oh my God, look at this. The rear main seal's not even. Check that out, guys. Shit. The whole rear main seal just moved out, dude. Look at that. Look at this, guys. If that ain't a fucked up rear main seal, I don't know what is. Listen to that. Solid. It's supposed to be rubber. Not too solid. But yeah, that thing's toast. Nigga boy about to pull that oil pan, throw the rear main bearings. The main bearings, rod bearings, and cam bearings. Brand new now. Rebuild, baby. Damn kid. Holla at me, man. I don't know.
That was probably the smell of the natural gas.
It only had like a quarter of a quart. Yeah. Got that returning customer. About to install a trans cooler. Corvette servo. Oh shit. Nitrous tank. Posi rear end. it.